Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Smartsheet automation for approvals and signatures. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Smartsheet and log into your account. Navigate to the sheet you want to set up automation for. Click on the automation drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Select Create a workflow from the options provided. Choose the trigger for your automation. For approvals, you may select when rows are added or changed. For signatures, select the appropriate trigger based on your needs. Next, click on Add Condition if you want to set specific criteria for the workflow. Define your conditions according to your approval or signature requirements. Now, click on the Add Action button to specify what happens when the trigger occurs. Select Request Approval if you are setting up an approval workflow. Fill in the required fields for the approval request. Specify who will receive the approval request by entering their email addresses. If setting up a signature request, choose Request Signature as your action. Enter the necessary details, including the signer's email. Customize the message that will be sent with the approval or signature request. After setting up the action, review the summary of your automation workflow. Click Save Workflows to finalize your automation setup. Test the automation by adding a row or making changes in your sheet. Monitor the status of your approval or signature requests in the Smartsheet dashboard. Ensure your team is informed about how to respond to the requests. Update your workflow as needed based on feedback or changing requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.